Yay, hello, happy Monday. I finally got a package in I've been waiting for weeks for. I hope it's everything that I thought it was and looked like it was. And it's from Noah Jewelry. The last purchase I made from Noah Jewelry was the, let me show you. So the last piece of jewelry I bought from Noah's Jewelry was this. This was the bezel set. I have a video on this. And I would say it's doing pretty well. It does. I don't wear it in the shower or anything. But, and I do take it off when I work out. But her stuff is 18 karat gold filled. It's not vermeil or plated. She does have some plated pieces. She gives you options on what you want. So she'll have sterling silver, 14 karat yellow gold, rose gold, some maybe white gold, and then she'll have plated. And for me, I mean, if you just want the color, I would go with the silver. If the sterling silver, to be quite honest, than plated, because plated turns very fast. And vermeil, she doesn't have any vermeil pieces, but this does get wet when I wash my hands, because where I put it at in the front, you know, on my wrist, it does get wet when I wash my hands. As you can see, it's still shiny. Her gold filled pieces are very good quality. And that was one of the things I wanted to see before I bought more gold filled pieces from her. And so far, it's so good. No trouble. It's shiny. I don't see any places where the gold is rubbing off. And gold filled is real gold. It's a very thick gold that's bonded to. Normally, with gold filled, jewelers will use jeweler's brass. So it's a very thick 100% gold over jeweler's brass. So it's not solid gold, but it's not fake. And normally, gold filled can run you a lot cheaper than a solid gold piece. And it's still real gold. You may have to do some things to really like take care of it. Like I said, taking it off when you know, shower. Some people even say they're gold filled pieces. You can leave it on and not take it off. You know, like, because it is gold. Vermeil is gold over silver, but it's a thin layer of gold. So if you wear it in the shower, bath, anywhere, because it's a thin layer of gold, that will rub off. If you don't mind a piece being silver, you know, a part gold, part silver, when the vermeil starts to wear out, then you know, you can get vermeil. That's also a good way to go. It's just that with vermeil, it's a thin layer of gold. So if you don't mind, but it's sterling silver up under it. So if you don't mind a sterling silver piece after years of wear, or however long it takes to wear off, then, you know, go with vermeil. That's another cheaper option than solid gold. But if you want somewhat of solid gold for a cheaper price, gold filled is the way to go. And I do see a lot of small businesses doing gold filled pieces, and people are loving it. They continue to go back and forth. Now the gold filled pieces ain't dirt cheap, but it's a lot cheaper than solid gold. You know what I'm saying? So you get the same, you know, experience with gold filled that you would with solid gold, just not the price. So let me unbox this and I'll come back. So it comes in this nice box. You know, you can put it back if you want to, or, you know, you can leave it off. She always sends these nice velvety like type bags and all of the jewelry pieces that I've gotten, including the bezel bracelet. So I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so I needed to pull up her website so I could get the correct information on this. So this is 14 karat rose gold. I know her gold filled pieces are 18 karat gold filled, but this is 14 karat rose gold. You can get this in 14K yellow, sterling silver, 14K white gold, 14K rose gold. You can also get it in yellow gold plated and rose gold plated. This bracelet was $330. And if you want sterling silver or one of the plated options, it's $119. Yeah, so for the sterling silver and the plated options, yellow, rose gold plated is $119, but this is rose gold, 14 karat solid rose gold. It's called Heart by the Yard necklace. It's 6 hearts on here. They do have a nice thickness to the hearts. I'm trying to zoom it in so you can see. There you go. If I could pick it up, because it's a dainty. Let me see if I could do it like this. Like sit it down. I'm just trying to, oh, there it goes. So you see how thick the heart is, so it's not bendable, in my opinion. It's not going to bend. You see the thickness of it. It's a 14-inch standard chain with a 3-inch extension. This is a custom piece, so it takes 2 to 3 weeks to make and get to her. And it took actually 3 weeks for mine to be made. What else? She's always on Instagram posting. A lot of ladies buy her stuff, so that should tell you right there the quality of it, because I don't think people would buy if the quality was crap. These are the 3-inch extensions right here. 1, 2, 3. And this is the regular. So I'm gonna wear mine's a little longer maybe on this one. I'm not sure. I have to put it on and see. And then I add a picture in. She does not charge for the extensions like another company does that I ordered from. But I've been into roses. I've been into hearts, butterflies, you know, things like that lately. So I do like it. It is dainty. I thought in my mind it would be a little bit, I don't know, bolder, but it's good. The price is good too. I mean, for 14 karat rose gold, yeah, it's about the right price. She does make this in a bracelet as well. But I won't do the bracelet. And I do want to show you this on my computer. So too, what ladies were doing was they would do the Heart by the Yard, or they would do their initials, or maybe their kids' initials, and then put the hearts between them. You can put as many initials or as many hearts as you want. I believe it goes up to 7, but of course the price goes up as well. This is all the information that tells you about the necklace. It's Heart by the Yard necklace. The hearts are 6 millimeters by 6.5, which I don't, I need to see it. That does nothing for me. Yeah, and then she tells you what you can get in. I thought this thing was still recording, and it's not. This is the other necklace I was telling you about that you can get the initials. So I put rose gold, 14 karat solid, but as you can see, you can do yellow rose white gold, or you can do sterling silver gold plated or 14 karat. And you can pick how many letters and hearts you want. Again, this is custom, so you would have to wait 2 to 3 weeks for it, and probably 3 weeks with this coronavirus thing going around. It'll show you probably with the 7 letters, 6 hearts on it. Or you can, just different ways that you can do it. I was also showing her, I think, her home page. These are her newest photo shoots for her spring line collection that she bought out. So just go and look around her page. The ladies love the earrings and the necklaces for the most part. She got stuff for kids. The Noah City of Gold is her newest collection. She showed the photo shoots on her Instagram page. And I do have a couple of pieces coming in from this spring collection, probably this week. This is her Instagram page. She answers questions if you DM her very quickly. She's always active. Her prices are really good. Her pieces are really nice. So, go check her out. She's a small business out of Florida. I believe is it Miami? It might be Miami. I'm not 100% sure. Or Tampa, but she's out of Florida. Small business. And so small businesses need our help during this time, to stay afloat. So that's all I got for you. My 2 pieces so far from Noah jewelry. And I'm pleased. Again, this is the rose gold heart body yard necklace. And this is the bezel bracelet that she still has available. So I'll attach some pictures in here of me with the necklace on. Hope everybody have a safe and wonderful start of the week. And until next time, peace.